man, people, morning, morning. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, wherever now watch them, you know. Yeah, man, so, I don't know, today is Sunday, you know. So, me in the kitchen today, yeah, man, so, right now, just put on the peas, because we have the peas that soaked from last night, which make the peas cook easier, yeah, man, so, right now, I'm going to take out the chicken, get the chicken out, cut my coconut, grate it, and put it down and go and do what I have to do, you know. Yeah, man, but now we see process and see what I go on. Yeah, man, so I'm going to take out the chicken right now. So see the peas, you know, peas, put on the fire now. So, I don't know what I go on, you know, basmati rice and peas. And I don't know what style of chicken I do it, you know, so I just stick and stay and watch for the greatness. That's the chicken we are going to deal with today, you know. Yeah, man. What time in here, you know? Yeah, man, so I go thaw out, you know. So, I don't know how we think go look after this. Pure greatness. Yeah, man, so. So, me I go ahead now, you know, and chip the coconut, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Because you don't know, in the rice and peas can't nice without coconut, you know. Yeah, man, you know, no packed milk with them sell at supermarket and them something there. Real coconut milk. Chip, grate or blend it, and squeeze it out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I chip the coconut them now. So no stick and stay and watch what go on, you know. See it there, you know, guys. I wanna eat this, you know. Yeah, man. So I go cut out two more and see what it is like, you know. Why? Sometimes the coconut them hard to chip out. The second one, you know. See, third and last one, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See them here, you know, three lovely coconuts. Yeah, man. I go get them hooks out of the shell now and deal with the thing, you know. Yeah, man. So no stick and stay. Look alright. Yeah, man, them alright. So no stick and stay. Watch what go on. Coconut them now guys, them chip out. I'm gonna wash them off now. And see if I can grate them, you know. Yeah man. You know the thing set, you know. Yeah man, coconut sweet, you know guys. Very sweet. Yeah man, you see this here? This here I go create wonders, you know. Yeah man, right now, no need for go back to the olden days. Use this grater better than the blender. Yeah man. Only thing you no need for do, I just take on time and grate where you not grate pan it. Understand? If you no go on, like say you have flash or something, you will cut off on your finger, but you just take on time and do where you no need for do. Yeah man. Old fashioned way, you know guys. So no stick and stay. Yeah man, see it there, you know. Yeah man, coconut are grater, you know. I don't know the thing, you know, so all you know if you do, you just stick and stay. Yeah man. And watch the view guys. Man, the view nice for sure. Nice Sunday morning, you know. Yeah man. Man, me soon finish, you know. Soon finish. Me I take my time I go on, you know. Yeah man. I know everything set, you know. Yeah. Well guys, right now me have to go run go check on the peas, you know, cause me never did remember say me have peas on fire. But me I go check it and see if it cook you now. I supposed to cook guys, cause as me say, we did have a soak for last night. So I don't know where we going on, man. Yeah man, the peas now cook it, you know guys. You want a little more time. Give it about half hour more or less. Yeah man, and it's alright. So I don't know where I'm going back to my grater, you know? Yeah man. Yes, people. Yeah man, see it, you know. Yeah man, me have 2 more pieces left, you know guys. Yeah. I go on with my thing now. So you know it look nice guys. Yeah man, cause what me I go do now, I go get the water from the peas, throw it in this, squeeze it, and then strain it guys. So you know say everything I got in it guys, nothing waste, you know. Yeah man, I get everything out of it guys. don't know the things yet, you know. I just stick and stay and watch while I'm going to some dinner. Yeah guys, so see it there? Down to my last piece now, you know. Yeah man. So right now, the piece soon cooking now guys, so I have to hurry up and do what I do, you know. Yeah man. I want the peas shell out. Go as fast as we can. But remember, when I use the grater, not take enough time. Things that we cut off. Yeah man. Yeah man, see it there now? Yeah man. Coconut finish grater. Yeah man, so I go check back on the peas now and see what I go on for the peas. Yeah man, so don't know anything there, you know. Yeah man. In the kitchen today. Let's see, I test the peas now. Still can't go more, you know guys. Kinda rough. See what I mean? Kinda tough, you know. Yeah man, so no stick and stay. See them there? Yeah man. Whole heap of coconut, you know man. Well stack up, cause you don't know something we use every day, you know. Yeah man, so I don't know what the thing go. Yeah man. Hey guys, coconut tree there. Yeah man. So me I tell you about guys. Yeah man, country life. Nice, you know. Yeah man. So we have a gooseberry tree here. Yeah man. Gooseberry. None of them not ripe still. Yeah. Yeah man. I know say no for you can go to town go pick up one coconut on that tree. Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah man, so I had another one to the collection, you know. I don't know where the thing go. Yeah. I go wash out the grater though, you know. Can't mash up mom's grater, you know guys. I take my time with it. It will cost me one if me mash up it. Yeah man. Well guys, I want to make some nice juice today, you know. I want to make some nice juice today. I want to make some nice juice today guys. Yeah man, cause I want to get some of the apple, carrot, yeah, and sweeten it with milk and drop one suppage in it, you know. I know the thing come down to, you know. Yeah man. That is it. So no stick and stay. Yeah man, so see the finished product of the peas you know guys. Yeah man, peas done cook now. Yeah man, so I wait till the water cool down. So I can get it for juice my coconut, you know. Yeah man, so no stick and stay guys. Yes guys, so I'm gonna look to so orange now, you know. See if I can get it to wash off the chicken, you know. Yeah man, because you don't know the chicken have to clean, you know guys. Yeah man. Oh, so orange on the pan tree, yeah man, so. I see two grapefruit I have to go use. So orange but I wait up so didn't they? Alright, so I find one up here so. Yeah man, but today up in a tree so. I go check some other tree and see what I go on for it, you know? Yeah man, so enough stick and stay. Country life, nice guys, country life, nice. Yeah man, so we have the great old ackee tree here so. Ackee tree there so. Orange tree, grapefruit. Yeah man, coconut, guinea, apple, coconut again. Yes man. I see me lucky enough you know to find one orange palm tree there. Yeah. One orange left up in a tree. I'm going to see if I can get it. Yeah, man, but first, let's see if I can get them so orange pick. Yeah. See it there? Hope I saw orange up on this tree here. We can pick figure, wash off the chicken. Yeah, man. So orange this, you know, guys. Alright guys, so me get two more yeah. Man, so now I'm gonna be greedy, you know. Yeah man. Right. These are the orange guys. Sweet, sweet orange, you know. One, so go back over now. On a little adventure, I can look some sour orange. Get the chicken wash. Yes, guys. I know the thing set. Okay. Yeah, man. Young Aki, you know, guys. I want to see the Aki them there. water source, guys. This is a tank. Yeah, man. Whole heap of water inside because we were rain that fall the other day. You know? Yeah, man, so I don't know where it's going now. Yeah, man, so we're gonna go to now, guys. I try to see if we can go on overhead footage. Try to see if we can give you overhead footage of the area. So I'm gonna just stick and stay and watch what I go on for that, you know? Yeah, man. See the sour orange them there, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so I go cut up the chicken now. So when we see what I go on.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. Adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You find me dancing on my own, nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You find me dancing on my own, nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
Check in. Yes, people. Yeah, man. The chicken, me I get it chopped up, because that them say them want brown stew chicken. Yes, so a brown stew chicken me I'll cook for them today. Yeah, man. With vegetable and all of that, and them request the apple juice along with carrot and milk. Yes. So that one here go nice, guys. That one here go epic, so no just stick and stay, man. See this so arrange them there, guys, when we pick a while ago. Yeah, man, and them here go wash off the rawness off of the chicken, guys. Yeah, man. So as me say, just stick and stay and watch what I go on for the cutting up of the chicken, guys. Well, the sun hot, people. Tell us that the sun hot. Sun really hot. Yeah, man. The sun feel like a rain sun, guys. Yeah, man, come like we all get some showers, of blessing. Yeah. Yes, man. Yeah, man, me cut up the chicken now, so I don't know how the thing go, Yeah, man, so no go on, stick and stay, watch what I go on, Yeah. Yeah, man. Chicken have to clean up well properly, guys. All of the red and the skin have to come off of the chicken. Yeah, man, see that? Nice piece of chicken breast, that, guys. Today windy, guys. Yeah, man, we have a lot of wind today. Yeah, but the sky look dark, see me, just like say we are gonna have some rain. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, guys, wherever you're there, Yeah, man, wherever you're tune, whenever you're tune into this, just big up on yourself. So say hi, man. Huh? So we'll get to say hi. You look at this. Yeah, man, so I cut up the other half of the chicken now. Yeah, man. Hope a fat there on the chicken, guys. You have to make sure say Then they come off of it, you know. Yeah, man. Alright guys, see the chicken done cut up now, you know, so I'm gonna get the sour orange pan, wash it off. Yeah man. Get about 3 rinse, you know guys. 3 wash off, you know. See the guys. So we vinegar this, you know, natural vinegar, you know. Yeah man. See it there? Yeah man. Chicken off it perfectly clean, you know guys. Yeah guys, and this can make juice as well, you know guys. So orange make good lemonade, you know guys. Yeah man. Nice lemonade. Yes man. So these are the first rinse, you know guys. So stay tuned until I go see the last rinse, you know. Yes sir. So they take out the chicken them now out of the water, you know. See if we can get a next rinse from them. Yeah man. I don't know the things that, you know guys, if you don't know prepare the chicken good, you know man, sometimes sick on the stomach. You know. More so orange bunny, you know guys. Yeah man, and today juice are gonna be wicked, you know guys. Police are gonna look for the juice today when me done with it, you know. Yeah man. I'm stick and stay and watch what I go on. See the guys. So it's kind of pretty. Yeah man. Yes. Chicken there, you know. The man chicken cut up and ready for go brown stew, you know. So yeah me people, no just stick and stay man. Yeah man, from to see me with that there, you know peeps. We don't know what will happen, you know. Yes man. And guess what? So the tree of me under. Yeah man. Boy guys, the bird them a do it wicked man, wicked. Tell you so the bird them a do it wicked. Yeah man. See it there? We can't get no good apple off a tree guys. None. So we just go and take the bird one them and do what we can do with them, you know. Yeah man, so I don't know what thing come down to, you know. There Vanique there. Yeah, man, she tell you no morning, you know? Yeah, man. So, I go pick some apple now, you know, guys. So, no stick and stay, you know? Yeah, man. People, so when me get off of the tree, you know? Boy, bird, them a kill without start. Nah, give it no time. Yeah, man, but nonetheless, still give thanks for it, you know? Yeah, man, see it there. So, I don't know what you think, go. Stick and stay. Let them wash, you know, my people. I go on the black bucket. Just take out the black bucket. Yeah, man, so they might get washed, you know. Alright. Yeah, man, the peas cool now, you know, guys. Peas water cool now. So, I'm going to throw it in the coconut or my grater and juice it out back in the pot. So, I'm going to just stick and stay. Yeah, man. And see the chicken, yeah? Yeah, man, I'm going to drain off the excess water of it and get it seasoned up, guys. So, I don't know what thing going on. Stick and stay. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so when you do it like this, you don't have no excess water in your pot. All of them something now. So I have my pepper, country pepper, I have the thyme, I have the scallion. So that's all the green season I go want for the rice and peas. Yeah, man. So I say, guys, I'm gonna stick and stay, you know? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man, the green scallion and the pepper. And a little piece of butter gone in the pot now. So I'm gonna put some salt in there, season it up. And then we see what I go on, guys. So I'm gonna stick and stay. So see the rice there? That the rice we are cooking now, guys. Basmati rice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So the pot season up now, you know, guys. I'm just wait for it to go and boil up. Then I wash the rice and put it in it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chicken I go season up, you know, guys. So I just use look like the Maggi chicken seasoning. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it there, guys. Browning, you know. Brown stew chicken. So you have to put like a browning on it, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You don't want to put too much pan in, you know, guys. Because if you put too much browning pan it will get bitter. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Pretty already, you know. So because when I feel operate the camera, you know, I feel try improvise, I couldn't see it, you know. Man, I couldn't see the process and so on. Go on. Stay tuned, you know, guys, because that one you go quick, you know. So you go when you want to feel try improvise, you know. Yeah. I go put on the chicken, you know, guys, make it go and cook, you know. Yeah, guys, I wash the rice and put it in the pot. Yeah, man, so sorry, I couldn't get to see that on camera, guys, because the battery even dead on the phone. So I have to get the charge and things. So I just stick and stay. Watch what I go on to the chicken pot over there. So I want to just throw oil in a hit too. So I go. I couldn't see what I go on. Yeah, man, see it there. Yeah, man. So I get the season them cut up now, you know, guys. So you just stick and stay, man. You don't know anything set, you know, guys. So as I say, but you're dead now, you know, guys. So now if you go see with me, you know. But we're not gonna get more footage, man. So just stick and stay, guys. Yeah, man. So we have pumpkin, we have carrot, sweet pepper, we have thyme, we have a scallion I go put in it, and we have onion I go put in it. So don't know what thing come down to, you know. See the rice pot there? Yeah, man, looking lovely, you know, man. Basmati rice, you know. Yeah. Still chicken there. Yeah, man. So throw any seasoning, you know, guys, make it go and cook them, you know. Yeah, man, so I juice out back some of my coconut milk here, you know. Yeah, because I go use it in the brown stew chicken. Only thing, you know, guys, if I no coconut milk like this, you know, and nothing else, you know. Yep, so see it there, no? Coconut milk with the seasoning, guys. Yeah, man, so the only thing I'm going to throw in the pot, you know. Yeah, man, so I'm going to stick and stay. Yeah, man, check in, guys, for the rice and peas, yeah. Yeah, the rice and peas don't cook, you know, Yeah, man. So I'll stick and stay. Yeah, man, coconut milk I go down in a chicken, you know. Alright, guys, so I have tomato, cabbage, cucumber. I have a little piece of sweet pepper. And I have carrot. Yeah, man, so I go make the vegetable now. So now we see what I go on. See. Stew chicken still up on the fire. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, see the chicken there, it come down nicely, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Coconut juice, make you have that color there, you know. Coconut milk. Yeah, man. You know, throw me ketchup in it, you know. So make the seasoning them go and cook down. Yeah, man. And thing. So I don't know how I go, guys. Yeah, guys, see it there, you know. Yeah, man. We have carrot, cucumber, cabbage, sweet pepper, and tomato. Yeah, man. Like that, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so the chicken is simmered down, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know, you know, guys. Boy, they always have a saying, say, they don't know why gas have to done past Sunday, because my gas just done, you know, guys, and the food not really done cook yet, but call an order one from the gas man, you know. So, I'm soon send it come, but guys, can't wait for that, brother. I have to go and improvise, you know. Yeah, man. So right now, I go make it juice, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So stick on and stay for that one there. Yeah, man. So see me carrot them there, guys. Yeah, man. And so me apple them there. And so me gonna make carrot and apple juice. Yeah, man. Sweeten with milk and supplement. Yeah, that I will drink for today, guys, with the dinner. Yeah, man, so no stick and stay, guys, because I don't know, as me say, there, guys, and you can hold the phone and do everything, so you know, we see where we can see, understand? Yeah, man, so no big up on yourself again, wherever you now watch, man, and continue, push out the support we now give me, me appreciate it a lot, you know, yeah. Yeah, guys, so great at the apple, you know. Remember, you know, me tell you, say, well, me a old fashioned somebody, you know, because right now, me would have blend it, but guys, you can't take a blender at all, brother. I love the blender. When you do it that way, yeah, you get everything out of it, as me tell you. Yeah, man. So, just have to go and do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man, so, carrot. Apple juice, you know. Yeah, man. See it there. Let's start grating on my carrot already now, so it look lovely. Yeah, man. Grate well sharp, you know, guys. Well sharp. Yeah, man. Right now, I just want to big up everybody who subscribe to the channel, you know. Yeah, man. I just want to know if you continue to support the channel, continue to share it, like it, subscribe, you know. Yeah, man. Don't just watch it and skip away, guys. Yeah, man. Just like the video, man. Free of cost, you know. Yeah, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Don't know the things that, you know. Each one help one, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so you know, so some of people would let their work, you know. I watch this. Yeah, man, and you know, so no more go down and run water, you know. Yeah, man, but you know, don't know the things that, you know, guys. Always I try new stuff, you know. Yeah, man, it's all about trying new stuff and, you know, try to be successful. Yeah, man. If I really no big up on yourself, so Mark, yeah, man, and everybody, we always a big up on the channel, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So me I take my little time go and grate the thing here, you know. Yeah, man. See, grate and nearly cut off my finger, yeah. I take my little time go and grate it, guys. You see how much water the apple has spring? Yeah, man. That's the apple, you know. Yeah. So no stick and stay, guys. Looking lovely, guys, on the sun there. See it there, guys. Wait on one next carrot and one. Big up there, Vanik, who they behind the camera now, you know, guys. Yeah, man, she helped me out a lot, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so I know what carrot so I can finish up. I have 3 more carrot leaves, you know. And that one I go nice, you know. And I go nice, you know. Spice up when I finish with my nutmeg and my little vanilla. And all of them things there. Yeah, man. You know, stick and stay. Don't know how everything go. Yes, guys, so I'm on the last carrot now, you know. Yeah, man, last carrot I'm on now. That it come down to now. Yeah, man, I don't have no ginger in it today, you know, because I put milk in it, so can't use the ginger in it, you know. Yeah, man, so. Just go on and dance the thing, you know. Yeah. I'll stick and stay there, guys, make finish grate of these things, so you can see the juice. These are the last apple I dip on now. I want to take out the apple seed. And I know, guys, after this juice I done, you know, man, I go on taste it through the phone, TV, tablet, computer, anything when I watch this spot. Yeah, man.
Who Sprite color said Sprite?
See it there? And throw supplement in it, you know. Get my milk. You want to see it there? Good old Betty, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we have apple, carrot, supplement, and Betty milk. Yeah, man. You know the thing come down to, you know, guys. If you don't want to, you can put on Guinness, you can put Malta, and you can put a little sugar in it, or a little spices, nutmeg, and all of them something there, you know. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, you know. You want the food and shear out. You want see the bad juice there. Yes guys. Yes guys, so I go consume you now, you know. Yeah man, so I don't know the thing set. Yeah man, so this will come down to, you know, apple, carrot, supplement, milk, and all the little spices them, you know. Yeah man. Bad man, bad. So I go consume my food now, you know guys. So no stick and stay, you know. Yeah man. Food real nice guys. Yes people, so that it come down to, you know. Yeah man, see it there. Food well prepared guys. Food nice. Drinks decent too. Yeah man. I don't know, you know. So guys. Yeah man, so what I want to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Enough love. Catch you now in the next one. Understand? Yeah man, I hope you try that juice guys. Trust me. Apple, carrot, supplement, milk, and all of them little spices there, you know. Yeah man, so as me say, enough love to each one of you know. Big up on yourself.